My name is Varsha and I'm an IT trainer at Brighton College. I deliver a course of Advanced Diploma of IT and Diploma of IT. More about my background, I come from the IT background where I have been on with many of the technical skills like as a business analyst. I have started my career back in from my home country. I'm from India and I've done my master's in IT as well as I have completed my master's here from Victorian University. And coming to my work experience, I have delivered many of the professional careers in IT, like let's say a technical content writer. Then I have been a business analyst, project management, and also a product owner. So coming up with all these experiences, I end up a career called IT trainer. So currently I'm working as an IT trainer as a Brighton College. Taking up an advanced diploma of IT or diploma of IT course, you will gain expertise in areas such as project management, system engineer, cybersecurity roles, ICT, desktop roles. Talking about the hands-on experience, so at Brighton College, we focuses on the practical learning assessment where we give industry project portfolios and we come up with more of the industry projects which are in the high demand of Australia, where our students work on the practical assessments, they learn the skills, they develop reports. So that type of hands-on experience we deliver at the class. So talking about the career goals, students just hone our skills in the class by taking up what programming language they want to go ahead. For example, they're working in a project called cybersecurity, so they will define themselves what they want from working on the assessment. So after that, we try to catch up for the extra makeup classes and make them deliver to or create more skills on the classes. So I would say my most memorable time was when I joined at Brighton College. I see many of the students who was a curious beginner to learn something and now they are well confident student, job ready. Few of my students has been graduated 2 months ago, so now I see that they are working for an IT companies. So it makes me even feel more confident as a trainer that my students are doing well with whatever stream they have selected. Be more curious to learn. When many of these students come from like foreign international students, they come up with diploma or advanced diploma, but they don't have the technical skills. I always recommend them to take some technical skills, have some hands-on experience on Excel or PowerPoint presentations that can be your core knowledge to work into any programming language. When let's say if you are working on any of the coding or programming language, strong skills on Excel sheets, and moreover on the PowerPoint presentations. If you're working in IT roles, then you can make your reportings and like that. Try to take hands-on experience with Excel sheets. For more information, you can visit our website, Brighton College website, www.brighton.edu.au.